Hey, we're here at the nature park in Jamestown, Indiana. We're going to be moving some of these flower pots. How many do we have?
19.
19 flower pots we're going to move. Got Ryan, you've met Ryan Hankins before on our channel, and we got Jason, who's in charge of the park here, and he's here to keep us from messing things up. So let's get started. Activities like this happen in small towns all across the country. Without volunteers, a lot of these little parks and recreation areas simply would not exist. I found this to be one of the biggest joys of owning a compact tractor. It's really enjoyable to be able to help out individuals that are in need as well as small communities like this. Now, specifically here in Jamestown, if there's volunteer work to be done with equipment, Ryan will be the first one there. His upbeat energy and extraordinary generosity are infectious. So anytime he calls asking for a little help, we jump at the chance. I didn't know how many we were moving. It's clear we didn't need 2 tractors for this, but hey, we'll have fun anyway.
We'll get it done before dark.
Another sign that spring is here. The days are getting a little bit longer. We didn't start till after 5:30. I also didn't know how heavy they would be. I was going to bring little Johnny, but I wasn't sure it could handle it, but as it is, they're pretty light.
We couldn't have picked a better day. This is beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful, yeah.
In these days between late March and mid-May, the weather is often extraordinary in this particular region. Low humidity and pleasant temperatures. It's a time where we plan big projects to do this summer. And about the time we get started on those projects, it's mid-June, July, and we get the Triple H, hazy, hot, and humid. You can probably go in a little further. If you can't go too far, it'll cut not. There's a notch in the bottom that it'll slide out of. Looking at how these boxes are made, it seems like it'd be perfect just to put those forks a little closer together so you can slide right in that slot. Okay.
Not sure if I got that one.
Yeah, see, if you go too far, there's a notch.
Out of the bottom.
Yeah, so we can probably come over a little bit with this one. Yeah, something like that. I can get under there, can't I? Just an easy little project. Not that big of a deal, but it's springtime, it's warm. This is what tractor time's all about.
All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right.
It'll work.
Yeah.
If it can be broken, I'll break it.
Okay, now we're done, boy. No more of that. Since you did it, or you expect me to?
I'm blaming the guy who said we should put our forks closer together.
Well, he's not here, so we can blame him all you want.
Okay.
He's way back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so much for that idea. Better see if I can get those forks back apart. We'll just have to find another way.
I'll keep this handy, just in case.
If I don't do any more, we won't need it. This one doesn't have any chair on it. I don't really fit it very good.
I think you better watch it. That thing's going to wear your month out.
Yeah. It doesn't fit very good, I'll tell you that.
Where's your green one? Your John Deere shelter.
I buried it with my hydraulic one. Someone's gone to a great deal of effort here with these nice asphalt paths. As you'll see, these paths wind around through the entire property. And while we were here, several families stopped by to take a walk. It felt like we were kind of bothering their peaceful evening.
So one on either side.
You left me alone for 1 minute, and I broke it.
What happens? You tell Ryan not to blame me for it, though, even though I'm not there. Contest.
We were trying to figure out who to blame.
It was Tim's fault, not really. One should not assume I'm deaf and hear you play a game. Well, we were going to at first, but he handles it better. Meets further up the trail. Okay. That'll work. That worked out good.
I should have known you would do something crazy. Ryan was kind to me and did my cinematic view. You got a lot of weight on the back of the Kubota.
Bertha Big Bottoms on there. Extra wide heavy hitch. Yeah, Dave wanted to use that one. That's his favorite heavy hitch. This is a wonderful little park. I had no idea it went back in here like this. Come on, Ryan, not right in front of the sign. Right in front of the sign? Come on.
Little wimpy that good. These will probably be the hardest ones.
He wants a set.
Same color.
Same color.
Oh,
He said the next set, right?
I'm glad you paid attention. I sure did.
Our designer skills are not are probably lacking.
There's a reason why I don't do that. Don't lose that one. This thing smells like dirty French fries.
It's that DPF.
Dirty French fries.
Dirty French fries.
It's nasty. It smells the same on this one.
That's pretty.
Oh, they've done so much work back here. There's so many volunteers.
Boy, that is wide. Ryan has a different way of doing it.
Strong, like forward.
Yeah. If it were me, I would have already planted stuff in these boxes when they're up there all together.
It would have been a lot easier to have got stuff started. Maybe even if they'd had them indoors somewhere in a greenhouse, got something started, and then set them out.
Yeah. Now he's going to have to walk to each one.
These little tractors are perfect for this application. A lot easier to get around than a track loader. Ryan's got a track loader, he just doesn't have a little tractor. I'm glad of that. That means I got a chance to play with him. It's beginning to green up.
Yeah, spring's coming. It's just not here yet.
You're right in front of me. Stuck to the ground.
Yeah.
When you lift on them, they pick right up, but the ones I'm trying to lift on are stuck.
Did you see Tim's twin?
Yeah.
It's like you, doesn't it? Get a side by side. Oh yeah. See, that's perfect.
Lift me up.
Now you're gonna get hurt. There's the thumbnail.
Let me down, Ryan.
Oh, your eyes. That's awesome.
What are the blue flags for?
The blue flags, those are some of the trees that we're getting ready to plant on
Okay.
April 10th and 11th. We got 500 different flags out here.
Okay.
The piles that you see out there are honeysuckle that we killed.
Okay.
So 3 years ago, we made a great effort to rid the nature park of honeysuckle, which is an invasive species, and those are the piles that you see throughout the woods.
Okay.
In the process with the Boone County Invasives Cooperation and DNR, last year we received 500 trees, 5 different species, and those are represented by the tubes that you see out there.
Okay.
That's our planting from last year. Well, this year we're doing it again, April 10th and 11th. We got 500 more trees, 5 different species. And all the little flags that you see laying around, the reds, the blues, the greens, those are all the different species that we're going to match up color-coded.
Okay. Guess they turned around.
House in the middle of that field.
Oh, is there?
Oh yeah, there is.
Can't say I ever noticed.
Ah, you weren't driving a tractor. So the yellow, do you know what they are?
The yellows are gray dogwoods.
Okay.
That's what those are going to be. The greens are buttonbush. The reds are choke cherries. The oranges are hawthorns. Choke cherries like to live in groups.
Okay.
They actually thrive better when they're in groups. Just like you'll notice the hawthorns are a little bit further away. The orange tags are a little bit
Yeah.
further away from the road because they produce like a little nut with spikes on it.
Oh.
And they're pretty to look at. They're great trees to have, but what they drop is not cool to step on.
Okay.
Same thing with the button bushes. Down there, they like to have their feet wet.
Okay, and
So
I
they're
saw
down.
it was kind of marshy in here.
Yep. So those will thrive because they really like, they help with soil conservation. So they'll help with their roots control the ground so it doesn't erode into the creek as fast.
Okay.
So everything has a purpose.
Yeah.
It's well thought out. But it's fun.
You're gonna plant in them.
Well, I'm hoping to plant a mixture of annual and perennial native flowers and small shrubs.
Okay.
Nothing that gets bigger than 3 or 4 feet, but we hope to also put identifier tags in them so that when people come up to them, they know what they are. Just kind of like a little learning lesson as you walk through of native species.
Sounds good.
That we had in those boxes.
Oh, they were sweet potatoes?
It's a mixture of those and wave petunias. All these boxes used to sit on the sidewalks on Main Street downtown. Because of us getting new sidewalks that are ADA compliant, there was not enough room for them to remain on the sidewalk, so we had to repurpose them, and that's why we brought them down here.
Okay, so why sweet potato plants?
Well, the vibrant green, the big leaves, the way that they fill out and drape over the side of the boxes. It looks
Okay.
that in contrast with the bright yellows and reds and purples of a wave petunia, they just They intermingled really well with each other.
Okay.
It was a good eye popper.
Daffodils, or where I grew up, I think they used to call them Easter lilies because they come up and bloom just before Easter.
Beautiful. Go ahead.
Let's dig it.
What a better place to finish up than the gratitude sign.
It is very nice back here.
This has been, I don't know, this project has just made me smile. It's been very relaxing. You know, wasn't any work for me because I sat on the tractor and made you do the loading and cleaning up after me and everything.
I made you jump off a couple times, so or get off a couple times. You don't jump.
I just had a point.
Did you?
That's all I had to do was just point.
Well, you did a little bit of pulling, I guess.
Now we did have an encounter with the stick man up there.
Oh, yeah. Tim got a little loving with him.
Yeah, he's my bud.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. There's a lot of them in Boone County. You should meet his friends.
Oh.
That is a challenge, Ryan. We got to get on that.
I think it's well worth doing some research.
Yeah. Hey, just a simple tractor project. This one made me smile.
Oh,
Weather's perfect. It's so peaceful in here. This is wonderful. Thanks for inviting us, Jason.
Hey, and a bonus, we did tractor stuff on Tractor Time with Tim.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on
Tractor Time with Tim.
See, the winter is past. The rains are over and gone. Flowers appear on the earth. The season of singing has come. The cooing of doves is heard in our land. Too bad I can't get my loader up there and pick him up by the rocks.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm not going anymore.